You said you wanted content.
Thinking of bus event हो जाएगा खत्म हो जाएगा.
Next happened, that's why next year 2 years.
It's not about relevance. It's about how much value the event is bringing to you.
Next का important base idea was key to connect stories. Best one is to hands down Saraj Goel. Yeah, man. Every time he has said that. मैंने बताया कि ये देख इससे बुरा ये
Pawan Agarwal that we had.
Captain
साथ में time was
Sharad Saxena was next. I got Richa Chetta also. That was a very cute moment.
Welcome back to Backstage 3142, an initiative by Rotract District 3142. This is your host, Rotractor Omkar Kadam, District Social Media and Content Chair for the Beyond X year. I would love to introduce Rotract as an international youth organization which is present across 180 countries. It brings together young individuals of age 16 to 30 who share the same intent to drive the change in the society. For more information, please visit the link in the description. With the same intent, we initiated a podcast series titled Backstage 3142, a series where we pull back the curtain, revealing the hard work, creativity, and collaboration that fueled District 3142's initiatives, where we talk about what goes into making a council team, planning a massive event, executing groundbreaking projects, and bringing forward some unheard stories from the world. Today's episode is all about what's next. Yes, you guessed it right. We are going to unfold the anatomy of an event, taking Next the Conclave as a case study. By breaking down the entire process, the planning, the execution, the challenges, and the reflections with two incredible retractors who were at the forefront of bringing Next to the life. Just to put it into context, Next the Conclave wasn't just another event, it was a bold experiment. A speaker driven conclave inspired by formats like TEDx, designed to challenge perspectives, spark ideas, and leave retractors with a renewed sense of purpose. But what really went into making it happen? How did a vision turn into reality? And what lessons can future retractors take away from the journey? Let's hear it out. Before we get started, let me introduce our guests for this episode. And I am really excited to have them with us because both of them are my friends. First up, we have past protractor Ruika Kalsekar. She has been a part of this movement since a long time, more than 7 years, and she has been a part of a lot of leadership roles like District Thrust Area Chair, District Avenues 2 Chair, District Training Revival and Sustenance Chair. And to flex it about, I was a part of her team back then where we did Next for twice, not once. So let's have it for Ruika Kalsekar. Joining her is Rotractor Vishal Shah, a decade-old Rotractor who has worn many hats, right from his club level, zonal level, and district level also. His highlight would be Avenues to Chair, where he had done next with RISE. So let's welcome Vishal Shah. I would also like to flex it that I was part of his team during his presidential year. So hi guys, how are you both?
Hi Omkar. We are good. How are you?
All good, all good. So जब मेरा पहला कॉल आया कि तुमको ये सब करना है, what was your reaction on it?
कुछ नहीं it था but yeah, of course, excitement है. This is my first ever podcast, so thank you for the opportunity and hopefully let's see कैसा जाता है.
What about you, Ruika?
I mean, I knew it was to happen at some point, Jite, back to everything. So I didn't think it'll be for next, but I'm really, really happy.
Okay, so you have been part of this movement for you both have been part of this movement from a long time, and there is one thing common in between you that you both have chaired Next the Conclave and you also have mentored Next the Conclave. So I just wanted to know whenever there was the first time when you attended Next, जब तुम लोगों ने रोट्रैक ज्वाइन किया रहेगा तब का मेमोरी एंड वाइल डूइंग द नेक्स्ट एज द चेयरपर्सन और डूइंग द नेक्स्ट एज द मेंटर व्हाट वाज दिस reaction or how do you unfold it in parts?
Yeah, chatting, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I think my first ever next was in Circo exhibition during Dino Jayus and Project Akuli were part. So the excitement was there. Ki you see such big celebrities and road track platform and such a wide range of audience. Because Circo Exhibition Center is quite a large platform and lot of people. I remember there were no chairs left. People were sitting on the floors and watching them. So I think that's something created something in my mind. Ki, yes, this is an event that I would like to share someday. An interesting journey. I would like. Ki, it is the only event in road track that I was an OC, HOD, chairperson, and eventually turned to be a mentor. So like a proper hierarchy I followed, and it's a good feeling to always do next.
Okay, Ruhika, what about you?
My first next was I didn't have the location, but in 2019, in Nikitas here, I remember Saransh Goyla was in it, and there was also this mentalist, right? And he was trying to do some trick, and he was telling us, "अच्छा अभी Instagram पे ये date आएगा कुछ तो देखो." And it was, I think it was great. Like I truly enjoyed that. Next is that was my first year in road track, so there were so many new things, and next was one of them. And yeah, I think from that to of course chairing a next, and then chairing a next as a core team member. I think those were all great experiences, and it's true. It is one of my favorite events. It is my favorite event. I think there's no competition there. Unlike Vishal, I don't think I thought कि मैं कभी से टैक्स की chairperson बनूंगी, but I think it happens so organically. It feels good.
But there might be always a difference, like when you chaired next the conclave, tab probably you might not have decision making powers with you, but when you mentored it, tab tumhare paas tha. So was there any difference tabhi?
I think for me, that I don't think it was the case. I think so. For my first next, when I was the chairperson, it was an online next. It was the first online next. I wish it was the only, but it was the first online next of 3142, and nobody knew ki kya karna hai. So really, it was down to the team of 2-3 people who were taking most of the decisions. So that versus chairing the next that you were a chairperson for, I think the difference was little for me.
Yeah, same only. I also checked the exhibits are like funny, but but yeah. So था कि first thing was कि challenge when I stepped up as a mentor role कि online offline कैसे लेके गए तो वो था काफी बड़ा कि how we can like क्योंकि we wanted to bring the experience that we saw earlier, like Rohika saw, I saw, and all other road trackers saw in multiple next think tank also and next the conclave as well. तो वो था कि to bring the offline feel again. वो थोड़ा challenging था. Of course, we all were coming back after COVID years and getting the attention span of the new road tractors was a challenge. So yes, वो था. But yes, fun also. Because वही challenge creates some good memories. Obviously, थोड़े हाँ किए हमने गड़बड़ भाई. यही बातें तो बाद में यार. तो वो वाला सीधा.
हम वो बातों पे ज़रूर आएंगे, बट बिफोर दैट देर इज़ वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विच केम टू माई माइंड, लाइक you both were selected as the avenues to chair in your respective years, and after that तब एक होता है ना माइंड में एक विजन होता है कि मुझे मेरा नेक्स्ट ऐसे करना है या फिर मेरा नेक्स्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए या फिर सो व्हाट वाज ऑन योर माइंड? इट वाज लाइक कि मेरा नेक्स्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए एनविजन किया था, या फिर इट वाज लाइक कि जो होगा देखा जाएगा पर मुझे नेक्स्ट करना है, बस नेक्स्ट हो जाए?
अगेन कमिंग क्योंकि नेक्स्ट जब चेयर किया था तब इट वाज कोविड है तो ऑनलाइन था. ब्रिंगिंग बैक टू ऑफलाइन तो वो था. प्लस द स्पीकर्स ऑफ द गेस्ट इट वाज इजियर टू गेट बिगर गेस्ट ऑनलाइन. तो वो एक इजियर पार्ट हो जाता था कि बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉजिस्टिक्स या मतलब ब्रिंगिंग द स्पीकर्स टू द स्पेसिफिक वेन्यू वाज नॉट अ चैलेंज क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वी आर ऑन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द मुंबई सिटी. तो कभी कभी हर्डल्स आ जाते कि so speaker are not very convenient to travel here and also availability time management unka schedule to match. It's easier क्योंकि online they can join it from anywhere किधर से भी बैठ के they can help us out with their guidance what they want to convey to the audience which was easier. But जब offline things becomes tough तो वो था बहुत बड़ा challenge. तो of course जब envision किया था कि we can do it and uh, with the groundwork and all. So yeah, that was there.
What about you, Ruhika?
I think for me, in fact, when I was my next when I was the chairperson, it was the first year of council for me. So नए council members को कैसे बहुत excitement रहता है about doing things, and that was the case for me. And I was very happy कि I'm going to get to be a chairperson my first year of council. It doesn't happen to all council members, right? So I was very excited about that, and I think that year, in fact, I had a vision, but then like COVID took over and like everything was a mess. And I was very lucky to have a DRR and to have vertical heads who were very supportive of doing it online. But the truth is, online is a different thing, right? Like Vishal said, there are advantages, but there's also it's a wholly like नहीं समझ में आ रहा like हम phone पे कितनी चीजें attend करते, it's all different. So I think that year I was completely like my bubble was burst very nicely and I decided अब कोई vision कुछ नहीं है. We'll take it every year as it comes. And I think when I became the chair for the event and then you guys were a part of the team, I think तब कुछ ऐसे था नहीं है. Like it was always like we wanted to do a good event, whatever it is, online, offline, at whatever scale, whoever the speakers, it just had to be something that the audience enjoys. But yeah, I think after the first year, I was burnt a little. So took it in my stride back.
Okay, so let's move deep down now to the individual years. Like your year जब RIC के साथ collab किया था and मतलब merge किया था and in your year we did 2 times next. So please.
We had 2 times, I think. Bigger story.
Sure. So the year Omkar, Meenal, Isha, and myself, we did a next. That year we planned the next. We did an event. We had our speakers. We had an event planned for a specific date. I don't remember the date now, but one day before the event, we found out that there was some morcha happening the next day in Navi Mumbai. उसके वजह से हमने event एक दिन पहले हमने event cancel कर दिया. Which was very, very sad, of course, for the team. And it was extremely stressful because I remember वो 3-4 घंटे, like the team was actually on ground at the venue trying to figure कि event हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है. And I was at home and I was working. And I don't know if you were there, but it was very chaotic. And I think it was like, we had a core team call, so it's been a running joke in the core team since that और कोई event के पहले call नहीं करना है core team को पूरे. But the core team did a call and we realized कि नहीं हो सकता event practically tomorrow, and that's when we cancelled all of it. So yeah, I think that those 3-4 hours of just knowing that the event is going to cancel was probably the most stressful time for the event. And then things started to unfold, right? We had to start communicating to people. We had to start telling people कि अब नहीं हो रहा है, next का event नहीं हो रहा है. And then going forward, we had to also tell our speakers. The funny story is that so we had like 3 speakers and a panel, but we actually forgot to inform one of our speakers that the event is not happening. And once this happened, also we rescheduled, right? हमने कहा next weekend करेंगे, उसके बाद वाले weekend करेंगे. We didn't know, and then yeah, I mean, I think it was just fully chaotic and we had to do all the arrangements over again. And I think we lost some money. I don't know how much it was, but we lost some money. But yeah, I think then we did the second next, and I'm very proud to say that, my team was able to pull off not one, but 2 next within 2 months of each other. I think 2 months first, yeah. And then I think we did in March end, something like that, yeah. So I think just in that much time, we were able to pull off 2 next and almost the same speakers except for the one that we couldn't have. But, great panel, full house, smaller venue, yes, but I think all worked out for the best. And that day also, I don't know if this is too much to say, but that day also, our event was supposed to start at, I think, 11:30, 12. It started, I don't know, at 2:30 because uske pehle they were literally like babies, like small 3-year-old kids performing on the stage, and they took forever to leave it. And our event was late, and I remember thinking, ab bas event ho jaye, like khatam ho jaye. So I think all in all, it was extremely stressful. And now I can't wait to hear RIC because that also was stressful. But just I think next in a way has been challenging. So yeah.
True. So in my year, actually, it was supposed to be scheduled after Explore 3.2. So already we were so tired and thought कि Explore went really well. And but that lighting a little bit hampered the preparation for next because the span time was little less and we had to postpone it. And there was also a discussion कि we could have collaborated with iFinance and this and that. But I don't know, something, it was not working out. Problem was there. It was not working out. So things were going like haywire. There was some of course, my team like that till the PDT was not that much efficient as well. So I remember we had to like fire some of our PDT directors. You said you wanted controversy. So yeah, so we have to but yes, of course, the new people came into picture and things went up. And then, of course, we wanted to take our district events to other district as well. The only event that we thought could reach to the wider audience was next. So that's how collaboration with RIAC came into picture. So, we had what we had in our mind ki we can pitch next to other district as an IP that they can also do this event in their district with giving credits to us so that next the conclave can become a brand all over India. So this was a mindset to collaborate with RIAC and yeah, then idea started. And of course, it was the last event of the year. Too much chaos. We had some good speakers, but the audience did not care. It's fine. But it was
It was nice. So, do you think it was a wise decision to do it with RS?
yeah, 100%. Yeah, at least we were able to establish the brand next to the others.
At least we did a next.
Yeah, and
I think that's a way.
momentum is important. See, next happened. That's why next year too next.
It's fine.
Someone had to start it, so that was it. But yeah, but good. I think seven Sadbantais was really fun. And the energy they brought to the audience, I think, was incredible. So we had some great speaker. Balram was there. I think I think, changed the entire discussion mode with the like. He was very interactive with the audience. I think that was nice. Yeah. Good experience there.
Yeah, so right. So Next the Conclave, it's been 7 years we have started Next the Conclave, and the idea behind putting up was to get a platform to share ideas, inspiring ideas या फिर inspiring content मिले वगैरह वो सब था. But and तभी एक scope भी था for this format जब हम लोग करते थे. But in today's world where it's a hyper viral generation जहाँ पे लोग constantly inspiring content देख रहे हैं of not more than 1 minute on social media, do you think Next the Conclave is still a relevant event?
I think for me, it's not about relevance. It's about how much value the event is bringing to you. Next, the conclave is always going to be relevant, right? The concept that it is, it's always going to be relevant. It's just about how what the medium is going to be to portray that information. I think in our previous discussions, we found that people don't show up to these events. A lot of content is already consumed online. A lot of content is more easily available, freely available. साल में एक बार नहीं होता, constantly होता है, right? Those kind of things. But I think the idea is that even if this content is available to people so easily on your phone, I think there's no limit to how much you can learn, how much you can absorb, how much you can get inspired, right? And that's really my answer. And text is never going to be irrelevant.
I'll just like, मुझे शार्दुल राजेश I think they are the pioneers who started. Like, the base idea I think next का important base idea was key to connect stories. Like you go Instagram, Snapchat. What is one thing that connects everyone to each other? That is stories. Like what is happening in their life. Yeah, are they doing something impactful? Are they doing कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's about stories of every person's life. That's how next came into picture. It's about putting up the stories that can inspire people or connect with the audience. Not necessarily inspire also, just connect with the audience. So that's why next came into picture. And I think this is the base idea is something that will be relevant throughout years to come. Wherever we see any social media platform or any film institute or anywhere, the medium, what is there that putting out a story is important. So I think next the part is something that is will be there. It's just that how we can connect to the audience or like engage the audience coming to the platform and like see what is there. That's on our part. Like how the road tractors can like build it. So that we have to somehow market it or PR it so that the people come in and see what is thanks the conclave is all about. So yeah.
Okay. So with this on a lighter note, I quickly want to know one good memory of Next the Conclave and one not so good memory of Next the Conclave. Any Next the Conclave or your Next the Conclave.
Oh, I'll start. Best one is to hands down Saraj Goyal. So our beloved friend if Smith, you are watching. So he questioned. So there was a Q&A round to this Saraj Goyal, of course. If anyone doesn't know, he's a famous butter chicken chef. So he, one of our friend from audience, he asked. Of course, we granted the question, but he was not showing you. So he asked Saraj ki, does veg biryani exist? And that day in the entire world, ticket, he mentioned there is no such thing as veg biryani. So guys, biryani is non-veg. So yeah, it was fun. And second, I think just organizing point of view, I'll just say, was taking it online. I think Rohika and his team did fantastic job. They did it through website with Smithwell. And second, I think I just mentioned two beautiful people, Sagar Pandit and Jayesh Zungare. If they are hearing me, I think they were handling tech at my time, and I think they did some amazing job. So yeah, it was something finding the tech side of doing online stuff was challenging, and we cracked it both the years, me, Ruika, Steve, and my way. So that was something like really nice.
And one not so good memory.
Oh, my chairpersons.
Can I know their name?
Yeah, nice, sweet people. That is it. Here we can end.
I think for me, like the hardest part of like my 4 next, and I've not been a part of next as just a chairperson or a mentor, right? I've been also managing speaker management for multiple next, so I think I have like five next to compare to. But I think my the hardest part was definitely Omkar, the next we did together. See, I like it. Have you noticed the common theme between all the next that we're talking about, RIAC and my next, my first next, and the next. Uh, I think the common theme is that the team has been around, but there's some luck issue. And my first year, I blamed it on Adil. I blamed on Adil. I'm not sure what it is that was for our with our next, but I think just that it was so hard pinpointing ki kya, like what have I done wrong, for this to keep happening. Um, and it was very hard. Like I said, the core team call that we did, I think that was extremely, and I don't know if all Rotaractors grasp this, but I'm sure presidents, council members, you all know before you all have planned something that, itna team hai na, tumne bahut hi struggle karke sab kuch you put together. And finally, when it happens like one day before the event, it's heartbreaking. Like I remember crying and I remember all of us being so sad about it. So I think that was definitely the hardest thing. And you lose momentum, right? You lose that will to do it. It takes a lot to push you and say, and I'm very, very, like I'll say it, Vishal Singh, I was blessed. I had the best chairperson. I think they were phenomenal, and I'd hand it to them and to Sushmita back then that it's because of y'all that we did that next. So, I think that was very, very hard and probably one of my worst road track movements, all in all. My best ones, I think, had to be Vishal said, the fact that we pulled off an offline next. It was very cool. Like Smith and his team did like a whole thing. Maybe had like banners of next and all. जो नहीं पहले किया था हमने road track में. Super cool. That was definitely. And that year, I also was able to do a panel on sustainability and climate, which was very close to me. I got some really cool people that most road trackers didn't know, but it was still like it was fun. And I think the second moment had to be when we were all on stage announcing. So for those of you who don't know, again, for the last 2-3 years, we've also had a philanthropic angle to next. For ours, it was this foundation called Mana Foundation, where we donated about 50,000 rupees, I think. 45,000 rupees. And it was fully funded by the audience that joined and some Rotarians that were very gracious. So being on that stage and being able to make that announcement and talk about how, itne sare struggle ke baad after saying that we've been able to make a positive change towards something. It was a thrust area the year before and that year mental health. I think that was super cool and again, one of my favorite road track moments. Yeah, it was two sides of the same coin.
I just had, since Adil is now mentioning, कि Adil used to say कि what possibly क्या, man. Every time he has said that, तो हमने बताया कि ये देख इससे बुरा ये
Not to say it after that.
This is the second time someone has mentioned on this podcast episode.
About Adil's habit of saying
यार इससे बुरा क्या ही होगा.
because he drinks all of our lives, like all of our road tracks, like
वापस ये
so.
But I remember Ruhika saying that कि यार साल भर में मेरे को एक इवेंट करने मिल रहा है उसमें भी वो इवेंट कैंसिल हो रहा है. But we did that. Yeah. So 2 times. That's important. And I still remember हम लोग सब प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं ऊपर बच्चा का शो चालू है आदिल आ रहा है 4 फूल लेके आया था हमारे लिए sunflowers. Okay. So as we spoke about the speakers and all. We have some crazy lineup since last 7 years. Matlab, I do not want to compare each year's next, but some of मतलब हमारा कोई ना कोई favorite होता है. So who were your favorite speakers till now?
Uh, I mean, yeah, I mean, for me, it was the Dabba Wala, Pawan Agarwal that we had in my first next. It was like to have that kind of energy on an online next. It was crazy. Like people were going crazy commenting on like the screen. It was a very good story. Dabba Walas are very, very important to the Mumbai ecosystem. They and nahi pata laya, like as a privilege, as for people who don't get dabbas in their house, I think that's very different. And just hearing his story, the way it all works, insane. Very rare goosebumps, I must know. Even online. So
Yeah. I think mine, I'm still confused by. I think Naveen Latma was his captain. Very inspirational story. I think during his struggles of war, like legit goosebumps were there. How like difficult times during war, like he has faced it. So that was something very inspiring. And Sharat Saxena was next. Very hidden Bollywood gem. I think a lot of people don't talk about the side actors, and Mehdi mentioned ki how he's been consistently doing acting over the years and still not craving for any fame, but still doing good work. I think was great. So this something was period. I think I'm very lucky with speakers on my. Saad Bhatta ऐसे के थे. So I got Richa Chadda also during my time. So some little show off I think. And Ali B saw he person in the background. So that was a very cute moment. so that so yeah, some good like speaker stories.
So it's been a lot of years that we constantly hear कि finding speaker is a task. Is it really a task?
Oh, it's a headache. It's not a tough.
it's not like identified keepers is not hard, but convincing them and like I think Vishal bola tha, right? Getting them offline, coordinating their schedules, and so many of them just asking for money because now people get paid for content, right? People get paid for all kinds of content. Like they make like 10-second reels on Instagram and they're paid like a lot of money.
Yeah, I think I'm mostly managing their managers. Like they're just contacting to them. It's like a headache. There's so much demands. Like they want such a they are available during this time. Uh, some speakers, of course, charge also. And as an NPO, we are not able to like pay such a hefty amount. So that was also a challenge. Ki if you are bringing such big speakers who can pull audiences, but the cost at what cost? So that was also like a bigger headache to deal. So that is all there. So yes.
It's a vicious cycle, right? If you have good speakers, you get a good audience, but only if you have a big audience, big speakers, big speakers. So I think that this is be a challenge, and as Rotaract, we've that's happened to multiple events. But next, definitely, I think it's the hardest to convince people to do this.
Okay. So for a layman per se, like let's just consider not just Nexa Conclave, for an putting up an any event, closed door event, a big scale event, what is the nitty gritty or the small things Rotractor or any kind of person who should make sure कि this list has been tick off कि ये mandatory है, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, like what all the tips and tricks you can just suggest some.
Main is groundwork only. Ki how do we plan out the events to groundwork? How big is the event? Closed door maybe like we have a small scale closed door event or a large scale closed door event. How do you want to plan it out? So that is important. And yeah, you need efficient teams here. Overall. As I too have say it. You need people around that like, get your work done. That is it.
Yeah, I think I agree, right? Like having a plan, a timeline. I Ajit and one of those people who be like wing it, let's wing it, ho jayega, kar lenge. Nahi, that doesn't work in like events. I think you have to have a timeline, you have to have a plan, you have to just know your shit, you have to know who's doing what. And one thing that I've actually learned in a very recent next jo Viren ki team ne kiya tha, being able to delegate and making sure that just not micromanaging. I think that's hard for me, but being able to delegate and seeing how it all comes together, trusting people such that they will do their job, and even if they do a mistake, that's on them, and it's for that team to figure out. I think that's a great approach, and we should have that for all of our road rack events, where we're able to make teams responsible for their own job instead of 2-3 people running around and doing everything.
So, a few questions. Where do you wish to see next in future?
Acha, so I'll go ahead too. I think more than next the country I wanted to like. I think next think tank is something has been not been happening. I can see around the clubs. I think we should start reviving that. And over above that, we should collaborate with Interactive. I think it's the best platform that protractors can get in touch with interactors. And because I have also done it in the past with in my home club and lot of clubs like they were good next think tank. Like KCCOE was a very good example that they had a very good next think tank, and like lot of clubs have done it. So I think that's something should be very well because it will. There are a lot of small stories of interactors, maybe some Rotarians also that we can like establish over through this brand and wider reach of audience. I think something with respect to next thing time was you should start.
Yeah, they will be very cool to see like a entity do better than a district next to the corporate fight. Very nice to, and it happened. Right? There are some clubs that do really cool entities that we've seen in the past, so it will be good to see that. I think that, and so I think TED Talk started at maybe 2010, 29, 2010. I'm not sure, but around that time, right? And since then we've seen it grow into a very big brand. And that's happened because they've been able to replicate the same format across places, and they've been able to do it with some really good people. And to me, like next should not. Unfortunately, up tak वही हो रहा है. We've tried every year. We've tried very hard every year, right? And we've tried to make it like a brand, but so far that's not happened. It's not become like that kind of a brand for 3142. I think that would be a great vision to be able to see other people say, oh, next. I do really believe that a lot of people who've been a part of next as closely as we have been, हम सबका वही goal रहा है, right? To make it familiar.
So, on the similar lines, how do you really measure success of an event? Like, is it the attendance which comes for the event? Is it the speaker lineup, or is it the feedback, or is it the impact, or something else?
I think it's the impact.
Yeah.
Straight up, right? Like the reason we did philanthropy in when you get a platform like Next, you have many ways to impact people. You can do it through the stories that your speakers say. You can do it through the kind of things that we've done, right? Through philanthropy, by fundraising, things like that. I think there's many ways to make that impact. And any event, not just Next, right? Red Rise, उन सबका कुछ impact measure करना ही important है. I don't think it's about how many people come. If it's only 10 people attend Next and 9 of them go back saying I've learned something new today or I've felt something today, I think for me that's a successful event.
I also agree with Ruvika. Like impact is something important that you can see across like not just with few people, like across all over the district. So that is important at what we do with the event. And I think that's why Next as a brand will grow in future as well. Because there is the data, like you can see Red Rise happening, lot of other events. They might be impactful with certain for a few days, 2 days. Because after winning a trophy, no one remembers. Something event like Next is something more impactful over a wider scale of audience, and that can be remembered over the years. So yeah, hopefully something brand like Next should grow.
Having said that, any feedback also, like over, we have tried at the district and I'm sure even clubs said, right? We try ki, we do one event and the next event is better because of that event, like whatever we've learned. But unfortunately, I don't think that happens all the time. So feedback, I think, is extremely important for a good event.
Hope Jitesh is listening.
Yeah, I don't know if we learned.
Yeah, worry.
Jitesh?
I don't know. Hope it's better than I finance.
We'll see in exactly 1 month. The next, the conclave for this year has been scheduled on 12th of October, which is happening at Terna College Auditorium. So let's hope for the best, and probably all these conversations, all these feedbacks and key takeaways, definitely the team is going to take, all the retractors are going to take. And with this, I officially tell you all that we are done with this entire episode.
Before we are done for the episode, Oga, it's time. Let's turn the tables around a little bit. You've been a chairperson for Next as much as we've been.
Right, Geet. This is all to Ruhika.
We love to hear from you, you know, like what has your experience been like? What's been your highlight, your low point, all of that? Everything you asked us, Simon.
And hopefully no QB.
Yeah, let's pretend that let's the conclude your favorite events for this podcast.
So yeah, I will be honest. So always I wanted to do avenue thing road track में and जब फर्स्ट काउंसिल एक्सपीरियंस मिला तब इट वाज अ सपोर्ट फंक्शन एंड द ट्रोमा आफ्टर दैट कि थैंक गॉड रूई का फाउट फॉर मी एंड आई वाज इन द एवेन्यू. सो वो जो एक था ना कि मेरे को नेक्स्ट करने का है, मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल करने का है, मेरे को दिखाना है कि नेक्स्ट कैसे करते हैं. एंड मेरा वो बहुत गंदा मतलब बैड ट्रिप था जब पता चला कि इतना बड़ा सब कुछ हो गया है, इतना बड़ा वेन्यू किया, सिडको वन हो गया, टिकट सेल किया, अच्छे स्पीकर्स लाए, वी हैड महक मिर्ज़ा प्रभु लाइक पोएट एंड ऐसे सब कुछ हो गया. एंड एक दिन पहले मोर्चा आता है, हम लोग को इवेंट कैंसिल करना पड़ता है. और अगर इवेंट कल उठ के रजिस्ट्रेशन की वजह से अगर कैंसिल नहीं करना होता तो मैं मानता था कि इट्स ओके, मतलब वो हमारा गलती है. बट जिसमें हमारा गलती भी नहीं था एंड वो कैंसिल होना पड़ा है, तो दैट वाज अ वेरी हार्श मोमेंट फॉर मी. एंड उधर तो मैं हाफ डेड था, बट समहाउ वी एक जिद थी अंदर से, चाहत थी, एंड यू सपोर्टेड. सुष्मिता वाज लाइक कि जो भी सीपीस बोलेंगे आई एम ओके फॉर इट. शी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेट कि नहीं करते हैं, क्या ही होगा, अगले साल कर लो, देयर इज़ नो स्पेस वगैरह वगैरह. बट सुष्मिता स्टूड रियली वेल विथ अस एंड डेफिनेटली विद इन अ मंथ और सो वी पुट अप एन एंटायर शो. द अमेजिंग पार्ट वॉज द पैनल डिस्कशन, बिकॉज जो पैनल डिस्कशन में जो थीम हम लोग ने सिलेक्ट किया था, थीम सिलेक्ट करने के बाद जो जो फाउंडर्स को हम लोग ने अप्रोच किया था, उस फाउंडर्स ने हम लोग को गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स हो गया, लाइक यू रिमेंबर आदित्य सांघवी स्पॉन्सर्ड एन एंटायर स्नैकेबल के हैम्पर्स टू एवरीबडी. Then this drink scream, they sponsored all the beverages to all the audiences and everyone. So that's something minor thing which I feel ki that's the best thing happened in my road track journey in the council thing कि ये सब हो गया. फिलेंथ्रोफी थी, ये सब मल्टीपल चीज़ें था. तो एट दी एंड जब वो फिलेंथ्रोफी वाला बैच हम लोग को मिला, मतलब we didn't contributed much in terms of monetary, but every chairperson got that one philanthropy ka batch which I still have. So that is something मेरे लिए it's the best moment for me.
I think people were so much more sympathetic with us after that. Like, our event ran like 4 hours late, but not one president said anything bad because they were so like, bichare, second to karna pada. So, I think.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Like my
No, but yeah, so I think so. From 3 chairpersons of Next to everybody who's watching, Next is definitely an event you all should be at. Whatever details Omkar just mentioned, say it again, but please be there. And yeah, I think it's going to be a great experience.
Wow, what an insightful conversation. Thank you so much both for taking us behind the scenes of Next the Conclave and not just sharing the strategies but also sharing the spirit and determination of putting up such a massive event. To our listeners, if you really love this episode of Backstage 3142, please share with other road tractors and to the event enthusiasts. Let them learn, let them know the tips and tricks and tips for this entire episode for putting up an event. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will continue to bring you stories that showcase the creativity and collaboration of Road Track District 3142. Also, we are coming up with Next the Conclave on 12th of October 2025 at Terna College Auditorium. Other details will be out soon. Please do come, please register. And lastly, like, comment and share on this episode. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates on the upcoming episodes. Until then, I am Road Tractor Omkar Kadam signing off for the episode 3 of Backstage 3142.